located. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Indiana the Hills, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Baringo, Poplar Grove, Hampshire, Candlewood Lake, Lakewood, Cape Ron, Timber Lane, Union, Garden Prairie, and Ridgefield. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 23 and 41. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Crystal Lake and